Have you ever needed to check if a wire or outlet is live, but didn't want to take any risks? This handy little tool right here makes that job simple and completely safe. It's the Dinqui non-contact voltage tester, a small pen-shaped device that can detect electrical voltage without ever touching bare wires. Here's how it works. Just press the power button and the tester will activate. Bring the white tip close to a cable, a wall socket, or even a switch. If the circuit is live, you'll see a bright light and hear a clear beeping sound. That's the signal that voltage is present. Because it's non-contact, it helps you stay safe while testing electrical lines. There's no need to open wires or touch anything. Just get close and the sensor does the rest. It's ideal for electricians, maintenance workers, and even regular people who want to troubleshoot safely around the house. Remember these tips. Checkmark, always test the device first on a known live source to make sure it's working. Checkmark, keep the batteries fresh. Weak batteries can affect the sensitivity. Checkmark, and never use it as a substitute for a professional multimeter when accuracy is required. Compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, the Dinqui tester is a must-have tool in every toolbox. Dinqui, making electrical testing simple, quick, and safe. So, if you're looking for a simple and safe way to test electricity, this little dinky voltage tester is a great choice. And it costs only $5. Affordable, reliable, and super easy to use. A must-have for every electrician and DIY lover. Get yours today, and stay safe while working with electricity.